If you want to shift 60Hz to 120Hz on the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to settings, then tap on display and brightness. And over here you will find the option of refresh rate. Just tap on it. Now by default it is on the default option. And if you select the default option, the screen of your smartphone will automatically adjust the refresh rate according to the task you are doing. For example, if you are playing games or scrolling through social media, your Redmi phone will set the refresh rate at 120Hz. But if you're watching videos or if you're on the home screen and you're doing nothing, your smartphone will dial the refresh rate down to 60Hz to save the battery life. But if you want to lock the refresh rate at 120Hz, just select Custom, then tap on Refresh Rate. Now, instead of 60Hz, just select up to 120Hz. And once you do that, you will lock the refresh rate at 120Hz. And this is how you can shift 60Hz to 120Hz on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.